What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video we have Bellroy's leather case for the Pixel 6 Pro. You can pick this up for $49. It's also available for the Pixel 6 for the exact same price of $49. You can pick this up in the link below. The link below is to their official website. You can also pick it up on Amazon, but I think it's sold out on Amazon. But both of those links will be in the description of this video. So without further ado, made for Google Pixel. This is an official made for Google Pixel accessory. Bellroy leather case, super slim, eco tan leather, meaning they dyed the leather blue. 3-year warranty, Pixel 6 Pro. On the back, they give you some more features. Microfiber lining, super slim, which we already know. It's compatible with wireless charging. Eco tan, same thing, 3 years. So a Google Cross Bellroy Slim Leather Pixel 6 Pro case, meaning it's a collaboration almost, is what they're trying to say. That's why it's officially made for Google Pixel. So let's go ahead and get this thing out of its package, which is a little bit harder than you think. There you go. Bam. So this is all we get. It's an eco-friendly. This is like cardboard and just plastic. You can toss this aside if you want, but this is the leather case here. It feels amazing actually, and smells good too. Look at the microfiber lining here inside to prevent your Pixel from getting scratched. I went blue because it reminded me of the Cowboys colors. I am a Cowboys fan. Whoop whoop. Shout out to the Dallas Cowboys. But let's go ahead and grab the Pixel 6 Pro here and place this bad boy inside the case. Bam, look at that. Woo, that thing looks hot, I ain't gonna lie, it's banging. So you do got Bellroy branding right there at the bottom of the case. All the ports are nice and aligned, no issues there. You got plenty of room there for a third-party charging cable. That's thicker than normal. You can easily plug in. It's not, the case is not gonna interfere with that. The buttons are nice and covered. You see that? And they're like a plastic. I thought they were metal, but they're nice and tactile, very responsive, no issues with the buttons itself, and they are a different color of the case. And look at that beautiful camera lens there. Bam, Google Pixel. But you do have beautiful camera lens protection there, as you can see. This is like a hard outer rim there protecting the cameras there. Bam, you can see that it protrudes a little bit over the camera itself. I do have a tempered glass screen protector for the camera lens, so even with that it still protrudes over it, so you are protected. If you lay your phone on its back on a flat surface, those camera lenses is not gonna get scratched. And let's talk about the protection here on the front. You do have a little bit of lip protection there. You can feel it at the bottom. And on the top of the case, you do got a little bit of lip protection there. On the sides, not so much because it is a curved display, but you are protected if you lay your phone on a flat surface face down. That screen is not gonna get scratched, and it doesn't move as much because you do have this edge here in the bottom edge kind of protruding over the screen, protecting the phone itself. Now, does it wirelessly charge? And voila, you can see it wirelessly charged as advertised. No issues with the case whatsoever. Bam, interfering with your wireless charging. But overall, it looks good. It feels good in hand. Does not add bulk at all. Keeps a very slim profile. Look at that. Looks very good. Bam, Bellroy leather case. Link will be in the description below. I absolutely like this case. Look at that. Boom. Looks good. Feels good in hand. Oh, I forgot about the cutout on top. Bam. Look at that. Before we go, nice and precise. But this thing feels good in hand. Looks amazing and smells good. There you have it, guys. The Bellroy leather case for the Pixel 6 or the Pixel 6 Pro. Links will be in the description below. If you have any questions regarding this case, please leave them down in the comment section below. Again, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.